Alright guys, I want you to watch this, alright? In this video, I'm going to show you a really interesting trading indicator that I just finished programming earlier today. And I'm convinced that by the time you're done watching this video, you will be a master at spotting very high probability trading setups. Alright, so let's go, watch this. You see this green and red color band here, alright? This is our proprietary volume indicator. It's essentially a trend trading tool. Very simple. When it's green, it tells you that the buyers are in control. And of course, when it's red, it tells you that the sellers are in control. And so naturally, you would implement your trading bias for the day. If it's green, think about looking for longs. And if it's red, think about looking for shorts. Now, as you guys know, I like to wait for retracements, or what most people call pullbacks, okay? What that would look like is, let's just say this volume indicator turned green as it did so today, right here, okay? What I like to do is I like to wait for the market to rally a little bit, okay? Prove to me that the momentum is real, that the trend is really underway. And then what I like to wait for is I like to wait for the market to come back, right? I want to see the market dip back a little bit, give me a nice retracement or a nice pullback, and then take off, right? Now here's one of the main challenges with being a retracement trader like I am. What happens, right, when the volume indicator turns green, but we don't get any pullback? In other words, how do we still attempt to play this gigantic rally? All right, how do we play it and really look for a good setup? Well, now, guys and gals, you are in for a special treat, okay? Because with one click of the mouse, I'm going to turn this chart right here into this chart right over here. Okay? This is the same chart, same symbol, same time frame, same everything. One looks like this, the current regular vol indicator. The other chart looks like this. And so guys, what I'd like to introduce to you today is our new premium mega vol indicator. What this will allow you to do is capitalize on larger time frame charts like this one, and also utilize very, very small pullbacks on a smaller time frame. You get what I'm saying? So this larger, thicker color band is being pulled from a larger time frame, and the regular, smaller color band is being pulled from your existing chart, right? And of course, guys and gals, you can see where I'm kind of going with this. The number one way to use this is to look for what I now call triple confluence. What does that mean? Well, if I really dial you in here, okay, let's really take you in here, okay? So you guys know I love retracements, and this is what a classic textbook retracement looks like. However, what we also have now is this mega vol, which provides us with yet another powerful confluence factor. And so here are the three things I'm looking for. I gotta have a green reversal bar on top of a regular green vol. That condition is true right here on this bar. Now, I also want to see what's happening on the mega vol. And this has got to match up with the color, aka green. Folks, this right here was a perfect retracement setup that we did not get on the master higher time frame chart. You with me? And so this methodology and this technique allows you to capture all of the advantages of longer, larger time frame moves, while also capitalizing on smaller stops. Why small stops? Because we are in a smaller chart. Makes sense? And so if I fit this to scale right now, all right, let me zoom out here, show you guys how this trade played out. Well, you guys know how this trade played out, right? This was an absolute monster rally as we capitalized on triple confluence. Regular vol, mega vol, and retracement all in one. Guys, I can't wait to show you more of this mega vol indicator. It's going to be epic. And all I can say to all you active trend traders out there is welcome to your new dream trend trading strategy.